Sure. It's actually a personal story of mine. When I was actually searching for a house, I was asking the real estate agent a lot of questions, like how much time is it going to cost for me to commute to New York City? How long is it going to take? Can I take public transportation? How much are the utilities going to be? And so when I was looking at all this, these questions, she just didn't have the right data. So in being an IT professional, I went and found that data, and looking at a partner like Esri allowed me to take a lot of data that they had and then map all of that housing data and sit there and say, to answer the question, can I afford it? So we use those data points to sit there and say, what is my commute cost going to be? What is my utilities going to be? Using predictive analytics. So we use a lot of back-end open source databases and also our own databases to collect a lot of data. And then using regression analysis like R and other platforms, we can then use predictions to sit there and say what those costs are going to be based on a specific lifestyle. So if you're single, married, couple with kids, or empty nesters, we'll tell you exactly what it's going to cost for them based on those personal profiles. So clients can put in their profile, and then we use geospatial data and big data analytics to sit there and say, this is what it's going to cost for them to live in any home. So we're part of the startup program. So we're an emerging technology platform for them, and we're going to be presenting in the startup zone and integrating a lot of their products already into our current platform. So all of our data points that we get from the MLSs are actually on a map-based solution provided by Esri, and then we can actually then provide heat maps and other analytics such as expenditure data and other things to sit there and look at affordability. So you can actually sit there and say, what are the affordability or what are the school rankings? So we can use different types of mapping and heat maps to sit there and give that data and present it directly to the user. So we sell to multiple listing services, brokers and agents that can utilize our tool that can help their clients make that decision, can I actually afford living in that home?